What if losing someone wasn't the end of your story, but the beginning of you finally becoming who you were meant to be? You didn't see it coming. One day, everything felt normal, and the next, they were gone. Maybe it was a relationship, a friendship, or someone you thought would always be there. And when they left, they didn't just take their presence. It felt like they took a part of you with them. You started questioning everything. Was I not enough? Did I do something wrong? The silence they left behind became louder than anything. And for a while, you felt lost. At first, you tried to fill the gap. You distracted yourself, stayed busy, told yourself you were fine. But deep down, you weren't, because losing them forced you to sit with something you had been avoiding for a long time. Yourself. No more hiding behind them. No more depending on someone else for your happiness. And slowly, something started to shift. You began to learn things about yourself you never noticed before. What you actually enjoy, what you truly deserve, what you will never tolerate again. The pain didn't disappear overnight, but it started turning into clarity. You realized maybe they didn't leave to break you. Maybe they left to reveal you. One day, you woke up, and it didn't hurt the same anymore. You weren't checking your phone like before. You weren't replaying old memories in your head. Instead, you felt something new. Peace. Not because everything was perfect, but because you were finally okay. On your own. And that's when it hit you. You didn't just lose them. You found yourself. You found your strength, your worth, your voice. And now you understand something most people take years to learn. The right people don't complete you. They meet you when you're already whole. So if you're going through a loss right now, just know this might be the moment your real story begins. And if this message found you at the right time, don't just scroll away. Be part of something that grows with you. Hit like, subscribe, and come back for more stories that don't just speak to you. They build you.